Hey folks, Pete Diaco here with you from Gengras Volvo, Cars of East Hartford, and today we want to talk about servicing your vehicle with us. Although we love Volvos, our team of highly trained technicians service vehicles of all makes and models. So when you bring in your car to get work done, not only do we do a free multi-point inspection following our red, yellow, and green scorecard system, but we also send a complimentary multi-point inspection video directly from the perspective of our technicians straight to your phone via text. This way, you can see exactly what our technicians see and have total peace of mind. When you choose us, we also provide a complimentary alignment check using the in-ground Hunter alignment machine. The Hunter system also measures tire tread depth and monitors tread wear. This information is immediately available to our clients via the alignment board display in our service center. We pride ourselves on our excellent communication with our customers. We know that when you drop your car off, it's only right that you know what's happening every step of the way. That's why our service advisors conveniently text you multiple status updates for the duration that your vehicle is with us. You might be thinking, but Pete, what if I can't wait around while my car's getting serviced? If that's the case, Gengras Volvo is happy to offer a free valet service if you live within 25 miles of our location. So this means we can pick up your car and then we can drop it off after it's serviced, vacuumed, washed, and disinfected. Servicing your vehicle is a big deal, so choose a service center with honesty, integrity, and convenience. Choose Gengras Volvo. Thank you.